and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them free. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
It's your girl Disastrous Beauty, and I am coming back with another video. Today's video is obviously a wig video, but before we get into that, I want to say, if you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button. So it's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Heltimissy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. Also, if you like videos like this, girl, make sure you hit that like button. Now, let's get into this wig. Honey, if you hear them dogs in the background, I do apologize. Ain't nothing I can do about them. They ain't mine. They're my neighbor's dog, okay? Nothing I can do about them dogs, okay? Okay, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Aligrace Hair. Shout out to you, Aligrace, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit I'm wearing is their deep wave closure wig. It is a 4x4 lace closure. It says 180% density, and it is 26 inches long. So I'm gonna go ahead and see, can I go on their site and find more details? So I did have quite a few options, and y'all know I do prefer closures over frontals. I just do. I just feel like they're way more convenient. Okay, so with this wig, they have on their site, Aligrace wig, Brazilian deep wave wig with baby hair, 4x4 deep wave closure wig, pre-plucked lace closure human hair wig. It does say this unit comes in 10 to 28 inches. I do have 26, and it says 150% on here. Now, they did tell me that they were sending me 180%, but the only option I see on here is 150, which I was gonna get into, because this unit, for it to be a deep wave wig, it is definitely given 150 and not 180. So I want to throw that out there, because luckily on their site it says 150, because honey, it was definitely given 150. Okay, girl. Okay, for their description, it does say that this unit does only come in an average cap size. You guys know, if you watch me, that an average cap size is what I wear. But I will say that a unit is big head friendly if I have to adjust the straps, which I did have to do with this unit. So in my opinion, this unit is average, medium to large head friendly, in my opinion. And it says it's Swiss lace in medium brown color. That is also something that tends to not really blend in well, but honey, I got so many baby hairs on right now that it don't even matter. So yeah, that's that with that. As far as shedding and tangling with this wig, I did feel like this unit did have some tangles. It wasn't excessive, but it definitely did. It is a deep wave wig, and I tend to notice that with my deep wave units, they do tangle more so than not. As far as shedding, it did shed some as well. Just when I brushed the hair out, I did get some strands. It wasn't crazy, but I had also tweezed the hairline, so yeah, that's that on that. Oh, also, as I stated, this is a 4x4 closure wig, meaning you just got this little area back right where my baby hairs start, right there on either side. That is how much hair you have to part. So you can wear the left, right side part, but it doesn't go ear to ear. Even when you ran a style like this, you know, the sides is gonna look like that, you know. So just be mindful of that. You can have it differently. I didn't mean to braid up the hair right there, but you know what I mean. You can still do styles like this. You just need something to kind of cover up the sides. So I want to throw that out there as well with this unit. And it does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me style this wig, and then I will come back with my pros and cons.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. She wanna know me, I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company?
Alright girls, so let's get into the pros and cons that I have with this unit. You guys know I like to start with the cons because I like to end on a positive note. Okay, so one of my cons is going to be that this unit says 180% density, but on the site it says 150. It is definitely given 150, so that is no longer a con. One of my cons with this wig, I have two cons. My first con is that, honey, I had to do, those knots were thick, okay, and they were not bleaching. Okay, so I definitely did have to bleach this unit, and even so I did bleach it, and there are still some knots you can see, so that was a con. And also the hairline was super thick, so I did also have to tweeze it. Luckily it is a closure, so it wasn't like a whole lot that I had to do, but it's still, you know, child, we in 2021, so I kind of want some of that stuff done, you know what I mean? So those are the cons as far as my cons with this wig. But anyways, now we can get into what my pros are. My pros with this wig is that the hair is gorgeous. I love some deep wave hair, and it came out of the packaging just really nice. Oh, I loved it. I was like, yes, come on here. Even though I wanted this poofy, wavy style, I loved how it came. Even like, it was super uniform. It was just really nice. And I remember like showing my husband, like, oh, this hair is nice. He don't know what I'm talking about, child. But I really did love that about the unit. And of course, I love the fact that this is a 4x4 closure, because you know your girl is lazy. You know I'm lazy. So I love anything dealing with the closure. I am just a closure fan. I love closure. It just kind of depends on you. But me personally, I am a closure fan. Another thing I liked about this wig is the parting space. I felt like the parting space is really nice. I didn't have to tweeze that, even though I had to tweeze the hairline. I thought that the parting space, it looks really nice. It was just the hairline that needed some work to it. But yeah, so those are my pros with this unit. Okay, so the next thing is, would I recommend this unit? Honestly, yes. It just depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for a nice deep wave unit, 150% density, because they do not offer 180% density, and if you're looking for a nice easy closure with some nice hair, I would definitely recommend it. If you need something thicker, then no. So that's kind of like where I stand with this unit. I would recommend it. Just depends on what you're looking for in a wig. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a lint check, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, as I stated, it just pretty much depends on what you're looking for in a unit. But yeah, I really love the unit. I really love the hair. I think the hair is gorgeous. I didn't like that I had to put in the extra work because your girl is lazy. But like I said, luckily it is a closure. But if you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, once again, shout out to you, Aligrace, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And your girl. That's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Misty on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will love you next time. Bye.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key.